Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Cronus Zen on PlayStation 5. First, ensure your Cronus Zen firmware is updated to the very latest version using Zen Studio. Next, carefully verify that all your USB cables are securely connected to both the Cronus Zen device and your PlayStation 5 console. Finally, confirm that the correct output protocol for PlayStation 5 is actively selected within your Zen Studio software for proper communication. Now, let's dive into Zen Studio configuration. Open Zen Studio and navigate to the Device tab to meticulously check your settings. It is crucial to select the PlayStation 5 output protocol for optimal compatibility and performance. Always ensure your desired game packs or scripts are correctly loaded and activated. Additionally, fine-tune sensitivity and dead zone settings within Zen Studio to perfectly match your in-game preferences for a seamless experience. Moving on to hardware and connection checks, always use high-quality, data transfer-capable USB cables for all your connections. If you encounter issues, try different USB ports on your PlayStation 5 console to rule out any port-specific problems. Crucially, ensure your primary controller is connected to the A1 port on the Cronus Zen. If you are using a wired headset, connect it directly to your controller, not through the Zen, for best audio. For persistent issues, consider performing a factory reset on your Cronus Zen as a last resort. This can resolve many software glitches. If problems continue, consult the official Cronus Zen forums, which offer a wealth of community-driven solutions and guides. Should all else fail, do not hesitate to contact Cronus Zen support directly for personalized assistance. Always review the Cronus Zen manual for comprehensive setup and troubleshooting information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.